warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syafiq bin Mithlan. Okay, today I want to discuss about the AC and DC system in electronic application, which is television. Okay, for the introduction of application, firstly, television is a system that converts visual image with sound into electrical signal. The television is made from the housing, the audio reception and speaker system, the picture tube, and complicated mess of electronic including cable and antenna input and output devices, a remote control receiver, and the computer chip. Television station broadcasts a variety of interesting programs such as news, sport, music, movie, and so on. When AC current enters the television, it is converted to direct current via adapter, rectifier, and filter. Okay, for the description and discussion of the application, the power supply board is typically the largest and heaviest board found inside the television. There are two types of PSU, which are linear supply, power supply, and the switch mode power supply. The SMPS is used on TV because of instabilities and power fluctuation. A stable power supply is required for television because if it does not have enough power, it will shut down immediately. Okay. The switching regulator are used to maintain and regulate the voltage output by switching on and off the load current. SMPS carry transistor switches between low dissipation, full on and full off phases, and spend much less time in high dissipation cycle, which reduce depleted strength. The switching circuit, the semiconductor device, and the transformer that convert the power source into controllable DC output power. Okay, for the first stage, the input stage, the AC input supply signal is directly to the rectifier and filter circuit combination without using any transformer. For the switching section, a fast switching device such as a power transistor or a MOSFET is utilized and the transformer is used. Next is the output stage. The output signal from the switching section is again rectified and filtered to get the required DC voltage. Lastly is the control unit. By controlling the chopping frequency, the final voltage level is maintained. Okay, for the conclusion, the Prophet Muhammad SAW said the knowledge from which no benefit is derived is like a treasure out of which nothing is spent in the cause of God. So the television has many positive and also negative effects to human. So we need to watch a good thing that can give benefit to us to improve our life. That's all from me.